Welcome back to the channel.
Welcome back to the channel, everybody.
Today we are heading off strip, but we're still kind of close to find some Italian food.
Yeah, so come with us as we try the Nora Cuisine.
Yeah, let's go. Checking in, guys.
We're heading out on our next adventure.
So make sure you guys hit the like button.
Make sure to subscribe.
Because when we hit 1,000 subscribers,
we'll be jumping off the Strat.
So back to the video. All right, now that we've taken a seat, let's take a look around. Alright, so we got our first round of appetizers, and I've got the bread here, so I'm going to give that a try. It's nice and buttery and cheesy and garlicky and crunchy. It's actually pretty tasty. That's some good garlic bread.
Alright, so the first thing I'm going to try is the garlic bread. It smells really, really garlicky.
Sure, yeah.
So the breadsticks are really, really garlicky, nice and crunchy.
I like to put a little on.
Oh, yeah, thank you.
They're soft on the inside, really tasty. So the garlic bread is really, really good. Now I'm going to try the caprese, which is basically mozzarella, tomato,
Basil.
some basil, and then some oil and vinegar on top, I guess.
Just salt and vinegar usually.
Tomato is really fresh. The salt and pepper actually give it a nice little crunch to it. You add the cheese in there, and it's got like a nice little creaminess to the mozzarella. It's an okay caprese. It's kind of interesting. It's in balls. Most of the time we see it in slices, so it's a little bit different. And the last thing I'm going to try is the salad with a little bit of the oil and vinegar on it. Balsamic vinegar gives it a really kick. The olive oil kind of like gives like a smooth sort of flavor to it. Overall, our appetizers have been pretty good, so we'll come and get you when our main courses come out.
All right, next up we have the caprese salad, which is mozzarella, tomatoes, basil, some olive oil drizzled on top with a little bit of salt and pepper. Nice and light. The mozzarella is nice and cold. Honestly, all the flavors just kind of really go together, just like it would with any other caprese. Really backlit.
So I got the chicken fettuccine Alfredo. The one thing I will tell you right now is it's super watery, so it doesn't seem very cheesy at all. Well, let's see what it tastes like. We'll just go noodles first. If I can actually get them in my mouth. Pretty creamy, a little bit of Parmesan cheese in there. Way too watery though. They definitely usually use water or milk, and it's way, way too soupy. Give it a try the chicken. Chicken's just a simple baked chicken, very bland, not much to it. It's not bad, but it's not a very good Alfredo in my opinion. Let's see what Macy thinks is perfect.
So I got the baked rigatoni, and it's got a lot of cheese on it, which is awesome. And then obviously it's like baked with a meat sauce and even more cheese inside. So here we go. It's creamy, it's cheesy. We've got the mozzarella, I think it's a bechamel cheese that's in here as well. And then some mozzarella and like all of that in there. Honestly, it's actually pretty tasty, I have to say. This actually kind of hits the spot. So we will let you guys know what our final thoughts are once we head outside. All right, so that is gonna wrap up our meal over here at Nora's Cuisine. Actually, I have to say it was really mediocre. It was kind of a 3 out of a 5, like
average, absolute average.
Nothing crazy. The prices are pretty affordable, but again, you kind of get what you pay for. So
yeah, if you want a good place, I would recommend Batista's. We went there. I think that's a lot better than this place. It's on the strip too, so it's a little less of a drive. It's not so far out like this one is. This is probably about 5-10 minutes away from the strip.
Yeah, it's pretty close. It's off of Flamingo. And you just kind of go past the strip and you kind of keep heading out. So definitely gonna have to Uber down here. It's not walking distance, but it's really not a long drive, maybe 5-10 minutes if that.
Yeah, but overall, mediocre Italian food. Not bad, not great though either. Definitely meh is, I guess, the best word for it.
Yeah, so
don't forget to like the video.
Hit the subscribe button.
Make sure to ring that notification bell so you get notified when we do more content.
And we will see you guys in our next adventure.
Yeah, hope you all enjoyed this one. See you on the next one. Bye.